There are a couple of ways you can buy and sell crypto using your Tangem wallet, but in this video, I'm going to show you the most simple and quickest method that you can use directly in the Tangem app. This also includes selling your crypto and transferring the funds directly to your bank account. Also, if you're still considering getting a Tangem wallet and you decide that you want one after you watch this video, you can use my code in the description to get 10% off your entire order. All right, so let's start with buying crypto using your Tangem wallet. To get started, you want to open up your Tangem wallet in the Tangem app. Now, if you've recently set up your wallet or you haven't added any new tokens, you'll want to do that since the home screen generally only has two tokens, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So for this example, I'm going to buy some Sol on the Solana network. Since it's not on the home screen, I'm going to go to the Manage Tokens tab, and you can either search or scroll through the different tokens, but I'm just going to search for Solana because it's quicker. So I'm just going to tap Solana, and there's only one network associated with Sol, which is a Solana mainnet. So I'm going to enable it and tap Save Changes. And depending how you have your wallet set up, you'll either need to enter your access code and scan your card or use your biometrics to confirm this token. So you can see that Solana has been added to my tokens page. So now I'm almost ready to buy some Sol. But before we buy crypto, I just want to point out that Tangem partners with a third-party crypto exchange, which is Mercurio.io. And this is what allows us to buy and sell crypto directly in the Tangem app. So any fees that are charged are not charged by Tangem. Tangem doesn't get anything from us buying and selling crypto using their wallet. This fee is charged by the third-party exchange. So to buy, it's a 3.95% fee, and to sell crypto, it's a 2.95% fee. It's definitely not the best, but that's just the cost of convenience. All right, now let's buy some crypto. So just tap the token that you want to buy, and then tap the buy button. Next, just enter the amount of crypto you want to buy. So I'm going to buy $100 worth of Sol. All right, once you've entered the amount of crypto you want to buy along with your preferred payment method, tap continue. I'm going to use my debit card for this example because bank cards are 25% more likely to go through. So if you have any issues using Apple Pay or Google Pay, then it's definitely worth trying the bank card option. Next, Mercurio is going to send you an email with a code that you need to enter. So I'm going to do that real quick. Then just open up your email and copy the code from Mercurio and paste it into the Tangem app. From here, you just need to enter your card details before completing your purchase. And one tip here to ensure that your transaction goes through, make sure you enter your name exactly how it appears on your bank card, otherwise the transaction will fail. Also, don't enable the recurring buy button unless you want to set that up. Another important note here, because we're using a centralized crypto exchange, we do have to go through the KYC or know your customer process. This is a legal requirement by financial institutions to help prevent money laundering, so there's no way around it. And it's the standard process with any centralized crypto exchange. So before Mercurio accepts our payment, we have to provide private information like our full first and last name, our email address, our home address, our ID, and a live selfie along with a couple other things. And again, this is standard regardless of which exchange you're using, whether it's Coinbase, Gemini, Kraken, Binance, they all require KYC. But the good thing is once you complete the KYC process, you don't have to do it again. So the next time you want to buy crypto, it's just going to be super simple and smooth and you won't have to enter any of this crap. So once you complete the KYC process and your order has been confirmed, it'll take up to 60 minutes to receive your crypto. I find that it generally takes about 15 minutes till it arrives in my wallet. And one other note, if you have any issues with your transaction or with your purchase, you want to reach out to Mercurio.io. Don't reach out to Tangem because they're not going to be able to help you. And as you can see, after the 3.95% buy fee, I received $92.44 worth of Sol in my Tangem wallet. And that's it. That's how you buy crypto using your Tangem wallet. After the first buy, which is pretty cumbersome, the future buys will be super simple. Again, you just have to get through this KYC process and then it's smooth sailing. But now, what if you want to sell your crypto? And by sell your crypto, I mean turning it back into fiat, your native currency, and then transferring it to your bank account. Well, you can do that directly in the Tangem app using the sell button. So let me show you how. So go ahead and tap whatever crypto that you want to sell. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to sell the Sol that I just bought. What a freaking waste of money. After this whole video is said and done, I've literally wasted $14 just buying Sol and then selling it again. But I guess it's not a waste because I'm doing this for you. So you better hit that like button and subscribe or else. All right, now tap the sell button and enter the amount of crypto you want to sell. And I notice you have to tap on the actual numbers. If you tap in the gray area, it doesn't let you enter anything. So I'm going to sell 0.63 SOL, which is everything I have in my wallet. It'll tell you about how much you'll receive in fiat. And assuming it looks good, go ahead and tap continue. Here you can choose how you want to sell your crypto and transfer it to your bank account. If you connect your bank account and do an ACH withdrawal, it'll take longer, about 2 days, but the fees are cheaper. If you want your money instantly, use the debit card option. Just be aware that the fee will be more, again, about that 2.95%. Also, something I noticed when selling using the debit card option is it's not actually instant. Like you don't hit sell and it instantly arrives in your bank account. For me, it usually takes 20 to 30 minutes to arrive, but it's definitely quicker than 2 days. Now, bear with me here, but you have to complete the KYC process if you want to sell your crypto. So that means you need to enter your full name, date of birth, your billing address, and your phone number before moving on with the sell process. So after completing KYC, you have to send your crypto to mercuryo.io so that they can exchange it and then transfer it to your bank account. And just note that any fees will be taken out of whatever amount of crypto that you're selling. So now just tap the send button and enter your access code and finally scan your Tangem wallet to complete the sell process. Remember, it'll take a few minutes to arrive in your bank account, so don't freak out if it doesn't show up instantly like it claims. Now, if you have any questions about the status of your sale, you can check it by going back to the crypto that you sold, tap on it, then tap the sell button, and then tap the little hamburger icon. And here you can view your trade history and any penny transactions that you might have. Alternatively to this process that I just showed you, you can transfer crypto to and from whatever exchange you use, like Coinbase, for example, and buy and sell crypto that way. All this said, the buy and sell option are not going to be available for every token in the Tangem wallet. So you might have to use a different exchange if you want to buy crypto or transfer your crypto externally before you can sell it and then transfer it to your bank account. However, doing it directly in the Tangem app is the most convenient way. So if you can do it this way, that's what I recommend. So if you're interested in transferring your crypto to and from an exchange using your Tangem wallet, make sure to watch this video. And if you're still considering buying a Tangem wallet, make sure to watch my full review right here. I'll see you there. Peace.